This video I will explain how to send money using PhonePe. Using PhonePe, you can send money from your bank account to another person's bank account using your phone. This works through UPI. UPI stands for Unified Payments Interface. UPI transfers money instantly. Now we will see what you need before sending money. To send money using PhonePe, you need a PhonePe account, a linked bank account, a UPI PIN, which is a secret number, and internet connection. Now we will see the important concepts. What is UPI? UPI is a system that allows bank-to-bank money transfer instantly. What is UPI PIN? A UPI PIN is a secret number used to confirm your payment. What is UPI ID? A unique ID like name at bank used to receive money. What is QR code? A square code you can scan to pay. What are the different ways to send money using PhonePe? You can send money using 4 simple ways. You can send money using mobile number. You can send money using UPI ID. You can send money using QR code. You can also send money using bank account details. Method 1. Send money using mobile number. What are the steps involved? You have to open PhonePe app, tap Send Money, enter receiver's mobile number, enter the amount, tap Pay, then enter your UPI PIN, then money will be sent instantly. Now we will see the real life example. Rahul wants to send 500 rupees to his friend Amit. Rahul enters Amit's mobile number, enter 500 rupees, confirm the payment using UPI PIN. Money reaches Amit within seconds. Method 2. Send money using UPI ID. What are the steps involved? You have to open PhonePe, select Send Money, enter UPI ID, then enter the amount, then enter UPI PIN. The payment is completed instantly. Real life example. You don't have your friend's mobile number, but you have their UPI ID. You can still send money easily using UPI ID. Method 3. Send money using QR code. What are the steps involved? Open PhonePe, tap Scan QR code, scan the code, enter the amount, enter the UPI PIN. The payment is completed instantly. Real life example. At a shop, you scan the shop's QR code, enter 200 rupees, then confirm the payment. The payment is completed instantly. You do not need to carry cash. Method 4. Send money using bank details. What are the steps involved? You have to enter the bank account number. You have to enter IFSC code. You have to enter the amount. Then enter the PIN. The money will be transferred to bank account instantly. Important safety tips. Never share your UPI PIN. Never share your OTP. OTP is nothing but one-time password. Always check receiver's name before sending. Avoid sending money to unknown people. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.